In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word document to PDF format in simple steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to share your document to others, or if you want to keep the formatting and prevent further editing, it is best to go ahead and convert or save your document in form of a PDF. To do this is pretty simple. Just go ahead and open your document, and this is the document that I wish to save in form of PDF. To save it, head to File, and then from this click on Save As. Now under Save As, go ahead and choose the location where you want to save this document as a PDF. For my case, I want to save it on desktop, so I'll click on desktop. Then I'll go ahead and give it a name. Just add PDF. And then before you hit save, go ahead and first choose the format you want to save it. Currently, you can see it is in Word format, but if I click down below, you can see we have quite a number of formats we can save this document. Scroll down, and down below, you should see we have PDF. Go ahead and click on this, and then click on save. Now, if I go back to the desktop where I saved it, you can see we have the PDF document here. I'll go ahead and open it, and look at that, the same document has been saved in PDF format. And as you can see, it has not lost its formatting. So that's how you can convert a Word document to PDF. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.